Hi, I'm Hassa with WTI, and are you looking to find the best and easiest way to shave your face or do your eyebrows at home? I can tell you that with these women's shaver razors from Tinkle, I am able to do it, and I'm sure you can do that too. These are single blade razors that I use to gently shape my eyebrows. I also remove fine hairs from my face, and I especially shave my face because I do have peach fuzz and I always want my makeup to look smoother and also my skincare products to absorb more. It is perfect for my sensitive skin because the blades are pretty secure and I can easily remove excess hair and it doesn't cause any irritation. In my case, it is also easy to carry because it comes with a cap. That way I don't hurt myself and it's easy for me to put in my purse or any backpack or makeup bag that I'm taking with me. The blades are stainless steel, so I've been able to use these razors multiple times. They come in these three different colors: yellow, bluish, and pink. So if you guys are like me, hairy, and you just want to remove that unwanted hair from your face, well, these ones can help. I really trust them. They come with this cap, which makes it more secure, and the blades are really sharp and efficient. So I highly recommend this Tinkle blades, and that's my point of view.